In this video I'll show you how to buy crypto on Coinbase. Click on this button at the bottom that says buy and then type the cryptocurrency you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy Bitcoin. I can click on this or I can type Bitcoin. Click on Bitcoin. And here first of all you need to choose how much fiat you want to put in. So in my case it's euro, for you it might be USD, GBP, whatever your currency is, choose how much you want to put in. So let's say I want to buy 100 euros worth of Bitcoin, I'll type 100. Or you can also decide how much Bitcoin or how much crypto you want to buy. To do so, click on the amount of crypto. And you'll see that you'll have toggled to crypto. So let's say I want to buy a specific amount of crypto. So let's say 0.001 Bitcoin. I'll type 0.001 and it will show me that it will cost 87.89 euros. Now once that's done, you'll need to choose how you want to pay for it. So you can choose between Google Pay, Apple Pay, credit card, debit card, Visa, MasterCard, or you can also pay with your spot wallet, so the money you've already deposited on your Coinbase account. If you don't know how to deposit money on your Coinbase account, go check out the video I've already made on the channel. So once you've chosen how you want to pay for it, let's say I want to pay with Google Pay, click on review order. It will show you the summary of your order. And once everything is done, once you want to buy it, click on buy now. And then you'll find your crypto in your assets. So click here and you'll find it here under crypto.